Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about how a lender can update their profile, and I will guide you through each steps to do so. As you can see, currently we are logged in as a lender Neil Armstrong, and we are currently on the dashboard of the portal. We need to navigate towards the profile from the menu bar, and when we are on this particular page, you can see that there are different sections that we can edit in our profile, such as the personal information, where you can update your first name, last name, your email address, and phone number. Then we have the second is address, where you can define your address, city, state, and zip code. Then we have a portion that is particularly for the lender details, such as their license number, their company name, the license expiration date, the person you can contact from that organization, their mobile number, and if you have any business license, if you want to update your business license, you can drop your file over here. And this is the previous license that you have uploaded. If you want to upload any supporting documents, you can also upload it over here. And lastly, we have the change password, where we can update our current password to and set a new password for it. So for all these, we'll have a separate video. So our focus is about how we can update the profile. So for example, right now it says Neil Armstrong. If I remove the word Armstrong from over here and just the last name, so on my profile, you can see that it will now show just Neil. So similarly, I can edit my email address, but once I edit this, I will be logged out of the system. I can change my phone number, like I can change it to 55. And whenever you do so, please don't forget to click the Save Changes button just to make sure that your changes are saved. Now we're gonna go and change the address and just gonna change these things. If I want to change the email address and I just continue and just save this one. So I will be basically will be updated and I will be redirected to the login page. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.